In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set a course prerequisite in LifterLMS. That's where you require that one course be completed in order to start a second course. So on my site here, I only have one course, so let me throw on a second course so that we have something to set a prerequisite for. Or let's say I'll call this one course number 2. And I have my other course on the website that I want you to have to complete that course before being able to start this one. So on the LifterLMS course options here, I'm going to go to Restrictions and then Enable Prerequisite. That's going to be right here. And then which course do you have to complete to start this one? If I click this, it'll give me a drop down showing me all of my courses. How to build your coaching website. So before you can start course number 2, you have to complete my How to Build Your Coaching Website course with WordPress. So that's how to use LifterLMS course prerequisites. If you ever want to find your way back to that feature, that's just under Courses, and then Edit on your specific course, and then scroll down to the area here, the course options, restrictions, and then there's that Enable Prerequisite if you want to set that up.